Hey YouTubers, this may look like a regular Tecumseh engine. It may look like a regular lawnmower to you, but it's not. Can you tell me why? That's right, it's a propane lawnmower. Just converted this today. There's nothing you have to really do, you just have to hook up propane into the carburetor. On this particular carburetor, I can just run propane right into, this is the fuel line that went to the gas tank. It doesn't go to that anymore. I have propane fed in through here and it runs like a regular lawnmower. Now when I first started up on this, it sounded beautiful, still does, never not sounded good, but there's a little bit of residue like smoke coming out of here. After I ran on this for about an hour, that totally stopped because it was burning away all of the carbon buildup, which was awesome. That would be my neighbors, but this is an ear one. See, I promise you there's nothing in there. It's totally empty. You can see the numbers on the bottom. It's totally empty. So what you do to start this up is, get my headphones on here because Tecumsehs aren't the quietest engines, so I have to pull the air filter off. The filter's right here. I have to pull that off to start it. It likes to run with it on, but it doesn't like to start with it on. Twist this, so you hear a hissing noise. See? About there. No priming needed. And I promise you, it is running on propane. That's all it's running into this. Now if I wanted to run it back on gas, I'd have to take it off here and just put it back on that nipple on the bottom there, and I'd run it on gas. The reason why I put this system on a Tecumseh is because I didn't know if it would work, and I knew if this broke, I wouldn't be so heartbroken because Tecumsehs aren't the greatest lawnmowers. Now if you treat them like queens that they are, yes, they're girls, gosh, anyways, if you treat them like queens that they are, they'll maybe last 2 or 3 years at best. But I thought I'd run it on this just to test it out. I'll probably be putting this system on either my Kawasaki Cub Cadet. I might not. I might just run that on gas, or I might run it on one of my Briggs & Stratton, but I may even use that for my high pressure washer. That'd be awesome. I hope you enjoyed my video. See you later, YouTubers. Bye. Be green.